I'm Omi, and I'm a comic book artist. And sometimes in my free time, I build Gundam model kits and collect 80s toys. So I want to share with you. I want to show you some of my collections that are here in my office space. So I hope you enjoy it. So these are a few of my collections, like the 80s Ghostbusters and some Masters of the Universe Revelation. Okay. So I have the some Transformers, the first 67 articulated Spider-Man. Yeah. So here's my first perfect grade Gundam. Okay. So inside my PC is RX-78 Origins MG. Transformers mini bots with Mario Kart characters there. It's my recent Gundam, which is the Unicorn Gundam. Okay. Plus some Transformers movie. It's really dirty. And some G1 Transformers that I collect. Okay. So here's a few of the master grade Gundams, RGs, and HGs. Okay. So this belongs to my son. Okay. So here's my first MG Gundam. I have a Spider-Man mask. The Gundam Thunderbolt KA edition. And lastly, this one. I haven't had the chance to build him yet, since I'm really busy at work. So maybe when I find free time, I'm gonna build this, okay, with my son. So yeah, again, thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed my little tour of my small office. So thanks, and stay safe.